Hey there everybody, if you're watching this video, you probably want to know how to use Foodpanda app. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The Foodpanda app is a popular food delivery service that allows users to order meals from a variety of restaurants and have them delivered directly to your door. With an easy to use interface, the app lets you browse menus, place orders and track deliveries in real time. Foodpanda offers options for delivery and takeout and often features promotions and discounts. It's designed to provide a convenient way to enjoy a wide range of cuisines with just a few taps on your smartphone. So in the first step, what you need to do is open Play Store on your device and search for the following application, that is Foodpanda, and be sure to download the official application with the logo. When you find the official app, click on download and install it. After the installation is complete, open the app. Then, in the next step, what you need to do is log in or sign up into the app using your details. Confirm your delivery location by selecting your current location. Tap the three-line icon on the left side of the screen to access a menu with options such as favorites, vouchers, offers, Panda Pro, orders and more. Tap on the food delivery option to browse available restaurants. Browse the menu and tap on the items you want to order. Adjust the quantity if needed. Once you have selected your item, go to your cart by tapping View Your Cart at the bottom of the screen. Check the details of your order, including delivery charge. You can also add extra options like cutlery or additional toppings. Tap Confirm Payment and Address. Choose your payment method, either cash or card. If paying by card, enter your card details including the card number, CVC and cardholder name. After entering payment information, tap Done and then place your order by tapping Place Order. Your order will be processed and you will receive a confirmation. If you encounter any issues or need more detailed instructions, feel free to leave a comment. And that's pretty much all about how you can use Foodpanda app. Well, I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe to this channel for more tips and solutions. Till then, bye bye and I will see you in the next one.